name's Katie. I'm a travel agent who specializes in Disney and theme park vacations, and today I'm here at Disney's Riviera Resort, and I'm going to take you on a room tour of a preferred view, one-bedroom villa here at Disney's Riviera on property at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. We're going to take an in-depth look at this room, everything that it has to offer. Spoiler alert, it is fabulous. And if you are interested in more information about this hotel in general, I have a video for that as well, and I've linked that here. Let's take a look at this room. Okay, into the room tour. Here is the entranceway. You've got a little vestibule here. You even got a little table to put your keys or what are your room's keys, your magic bands on. You've got some hooks here. And then this is the view entering. You've got mirrors on both sides, and there is an option here to have a connecting room as well. So you could have two villas connecting. And there is a full kitchen. You have got the full fridge here. Full-size fridge and freezer. And I mean, just look at this room. It is beautiful. And then you've got a full stove, oven, and you've got bakeware in here, full oven, got a microwave, and you have pretty much everything you would need. Pots, pans, all of that. And these are very nice cabinets. You've got wine glasses, some serving dishes. That is just a plug for the microwave. Got paper towels, sink, all of that. So yeah, you could definitely feed a lot of people in this kitchen, which is great, price saver, and a really nice option. Trash can, you got cleaning supplies, and you also have a full dishwasher. That is very nice. Got a trash can here, a complete Cuisinart coffee maker. Got a 4-slice toaster, all of your coffee fixins that you'd have in any of the rooms. 50th anniversary blend going there, tea, mugs and cups, cute black splash. And you've got some Pyrexes and plates and bowls and more plates. So this is a complete kitchen. There's everything that you would need here. I know a lot of people, if you're driving versus flying, like to bring a crock pot when they have a kitchen like this, which can make it really nice. You just throw some stuff in the crock pot and you have dinner when you are coming home from the parks. And here's a look at the full amenity list of items that should be in your room, or if they're not, you can request them. And when we pivot here, again, you've got that full refrigerator and you have a full dining area. You've got 2 chairs here, bench seating. So I would say you could easily sit 6 people here. Really pretty chandelier, a mirror, and look, the print on here is the Riviera, the buildings of this resort. And then you have the super cute artwork with Remy in it. The theme of this hotel is the French/Italian Riviera and is very art themed. There's a lot of art throughout the hotel, and a lot of it is done in styles of classic artists with little bits of Disney thrown in. Super cute. Okay, here's the living room. So we've got the couch, 2 chairs, and a little footstool there, plus the TV area. We have this ginormous TV, and this is a smart TV, and this pulls down. I can even do it one-handed, super simple, into a bed. Got cute Mickey and Pluto enjoying their Riviera vacation. There's a light in here. Very comfy. I would say this is ideal for a child, but I'm gonna lie down in it and see if I fit. I do fit in this. I'm 5'2". I would say maybe like 5'5" and under can sleep in this, but it's obviously super ideal for a child. And pop it up. Very simple, just did it with one hand. So that is awesome use of space and extra beds. Pivoting over here, I mean, look at this lighting. The lighting in here is beautiful. And there's tons of little details. Pivot around here. Just so pretty. 2 comfy chairs, nice long couch. You've got end tables. You've got lots of natural light, which is very nice in a hotel room. And this couch pulls out into a full-size bed, and I will show you that. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the bed down. I removed one of the cushions. Here's the other one. They are Velcro, super easy. To the side. Just move these pillows, scooted the table, which was on wheels. That was very easy. You're just going to pull this and pull it down. You're gonna have to pull harder, not necessarily harder, but because I can do it with like one hand, but then keep pulling. You're gonna think you're breaking it, you're not. I did this a couple times to make sure. Ta-da! So this is super easy to do. It'd probably be easier with 2 people, but you can absolutely do it with 1. And yeah, you've got a double bed here. You've still even got a little bit of couch area. And it's got this super cute like Peter Pan artwork. And there's little cubbies in here with plugs. Super simple. And now let's see it going back. And there are extra pillows in the closet that go here. Pull it up. Alright, it's a little heavier. But there we go. Put the pillows back. You've got a room for your whole day. Here's a closer look at the side of it. Each side has cubbies. And the artwork here. Lots and lots of natural light in here. You've got this huge window with really cute lattice work. And then look at these curtains. So this does have, you've got day curtains on this whole window and blackout curtains. Very cute little pattern. And both this ottoman and this table do have storage space in them, so that's awesome. And you have an end table on both sides here. You've got the phone here, end table here, which is great for if you're using this as a bed or a couch. Now, I'm gonna this carpet. Very cute. Now let's pivot over here to the balcony. Okay, so here's the balcony. This is a very sizable balcony. It's nice. We've got the 2 chairs with the Riviera logo on them. Got the hidden Mickey here. And we have a very nice view. This is a preferred view room. And I think this is a great view. You can see a lot of the Riviera. We can see, look, both pools here. Both of the pools and the bocce and other lawn games court. We can see that. The fire pits over here. And a really cute view of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All those colorful buildings over there. This Caribbean Beach Resort. And then we have a great view of Caribbean Beach Resort and the Skyliner. All of those colorful buildings are Caribbean Beach Resort, which you can easily walk to from this resort and vice versa. And enjoy the dining and activities. Other than the pool, you're not allowed to pool hop. So you can enjoy everything else from both resorts if you're staying at one of them. So really nice balcony area here. And there is an entrance from the bedroom and the living room. Okay, back in from the balcony, let's go into the bedroom. So you do have a door here. And then here's your second entrance to the balcony. Again, you've got the double curtains, lots of natural light. You got a chair here and a beautiful bedroom. So you've got a king bed. And you do have underbed storage here, which is really nice. You've got the chair, nightstand, Look at this cute painting. The Aristocats in it. And they're at this resort. You can see out the window. Really nice. Headboard. Tons of pillows. And pivoting, you have a whole dresser here. Another large TV. Really pretty light in here as well. Full-length mirror. And then you have this little workspace. Another mirror. We've got plugs with the USB ports. Another phone in here. Pivoting, and then this is a closet. Huge closet for a hotel room. And the luggage rack. Beautiful room. And you've got a little hidden Mickey there on the bed. Now we've got the sliding doors. Oh, dual sliding doors. That's fun. Into this gorgeous bathroom. Look at this bathtub. This is insane. Look at this. This is a Disney World hotel room. Look at this bathtub. And the marble, full marble everywhere. A chandelier. This thing. This is beautiful. All right, so you've got a really large sink area here. Mirror. You've got the makeup mirror. You've got a hair dryer in here. A waste basket, some extras, and lots of space here. Some amenities. We've got facial soap and body lotion, some tissues. We've got some bath soap over here. Okay, and then there is a closing door here into the toilet room. Now look at this. You've got a second sink. Nice sink area. Nice storage. The same amenities again. Got a nice little like shelf there. Got of course the commode. This cute artwork of Tiana. And then here's the shower. So, okay, this closes so you can have sink and tub, shower, toilet, and sink. And then behind me, there's another door. So if you are sleeping out in the living room, you can enter from here. Bedroom, you can enter from here. So you've got dual access to the commode, which is perfect for, you know, the evenings. Now look at this shower. Stop it with this shower. There is a bench. It is huge. You've got the dual shower head, rainforest shower head there. Got the clothesline. Oh, I didn't even step in here. Look at, okay. We've got your standard amenities for Disney there, and the little cubby here. Look at this. This is like the world's most huge shower. Amazing. All right, stepping out. And there are towels like everywhere. More towels back here. Oh, and hooks on the back of the door. I love that. Okay, that's just lids. All right, now moving back towards where we started. Got some amenities here. Now this is awesome. You have got the washer dryer. Fantastic for vacation, especially with multiple people and kids and swimsuits in Florida and things get wet and you want to dry them. Amazing to have a washer dryer. And a basket, if that's not clear. Pop-up basket and some soaps. And then we have another large closet. All right, we have a vacuum. We have a safe here, an ironing board, extra pillows and blankets. We've got a steam iron, tons of hangers, huge closet, and you could certainly fit a bunch of your suitcases into the floor of this closet. And then that door to here is of course the door that we came in. That is a connecting door, so you could have two connecting suites here. And that is the full room. After staying in this room for a full week, I can tell you with complete honesty that I have no complaints about this room. It was absolutely perfect. I loved everything about it. I would stay here again in a second. This will very comfortably sleep and house 5 as long as one person is short enough to sleep on that single pull-down bed. You can additionally have one child under 3 years old, and you can have a pack and play if needed. That will be provided for free. I love this resort. I love this room. I highly recommend it. To see more about the resort as a whole, check out my video, which is linked in the beginning of this video and in the comments for a full resort tour of Riviera Resort here at Walt Disney World. And I cannot wait to stay at this resort again and to stay in this room again. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative. Please like and subscribe if you did. And if you are looking to travel to Walt Disney World, I would love to be your travel agent. Disney World vacation, any Disney vacation, or any vacation in general, I would love to work with you. My contact information is on the screen, and have a magical vacation.